This 2003 Passat, it's got the 1.8 turbo. It's coming in for a coolant leak, and I found that the heater hose going into the back of the block, it's got a crack in the plastic assembly. So I have to remove some trim in order to get to where the heater hose is. The heater hose I'm replacing comes from the back of the block and it goes up into the heater core. It connects on the left-hand side. Throw this under here to catch any coolant that might drip out. And I'm going to take this clamp off so I can use it on the new part. So as you can see, one end is secured with the clamp that I've removed. The other end is secured by this clip. So all I have to do is get a small flat screwdriver or a pick and insert it down into that clip and pull upward and out, and then I should be able to pop this down. Something like this should work well. Let's see. Let's see if I can get you a good look at what I'm removing. That's it right there. That's the piece. That's it. Whoa! What up, man? An oil jug?
Yeah.
No, sir. Come on, baby. Yeah. I can fish the new part up in there. Got this part. Reach in there and grab it. There we go. Got Got that part in place. This other piece should just click on up in there. There we go. There we go. I like that sound. There we go. So we are all good. Got both lines hooked back up. All I need to do now is top off the coolant, bleed out any air bubbles, and check to see if there's anything else leaking. There we go. Thanks, Alex.
No problem.